All right, picking up where we left off again with the EBSCO database, I wanted to take a look at this article right here, which is an interview with the author, Alan Gratz. I click on the title to go into the article, and then I scroll down, and this is all that I see, which confuses me because I checked that full text box, but I don't have the full text of the article right here. So I just wanted to point out that the full text is included, but it's a PDF version of the full text. So if you don't see the text down here below the citation for the article, make sure you click on the full text over here. The PDF version has a lot of advantages for you. If you're going to print out your article, this is the one you want to print because it's formatted nicely and easier to read. And you also get all the text features and images and graphs that can help you read and understand that article, like pull out lists and images, section headings, and so forth. So the PDF can be a very helpful tool for accessing the materials in the database. And if this looks like something that you would like to read to learn more about what inspired this author to ban books, you could either read it online right here or you could print it out. Let's go back to the results list so I can show you a different article that also has the HTML full text. So Rise to the Challenge is about how librarians, school librarians, can think about or feature banned books in their library. So this is Rise to the Challenge, and as you can see, the text of the article is down here. So here's a couple of ways you can access that article. One is to have the article read aloud to you by the database.
Rise to the Challenge. Contents. 1. Elementary concerns. 2.
So I just hit play right here next to listen, and you can see that it is reading aloud the text of the article. So that's one way that you could use the tools of the database to better understand. Or if English is not your native language and you would have an easier time understanding this article if it were in a different language, you can translate by choosing a language from this list. A couple more things that are going to be important. Here is the PDF of the article if you want to print. Let's say you're in the middle of your research and the bell rings and you need to be able to get back to this article so you can finish reading it. This link right here is called the permalink, and this is the link that will get you back to this article, not the one up here in the URL box, but this permalink. So we're going to copy that and paste it into your notes for your project, so then you can just click on the link and come right back here. Also, if you end up using this article for your research project, you're going to need to cite your sources. Tell your reader where you got your information. So you would click on the link over here that says Cite, scroll down to where it says MLA, that's the format we use at Prairie. Highlight from the author's name to the period, copy that and paste it into your works cited list for your paper. So that's the Cite tool and the permalink tool that are just two of the tools on the right-hand side that can help you use the database more effectively.